Tokid Biotech is an exciting new laboratory focusing on the identification of species present in food, pharmaceutical and cosmetic products. The innovative new methods being developed at Tokid Biotech will make testing convenient, affordable and state-of-the-art. As our name suggests, we are all about assurance.
You know, the technology exists, the technology is available. It's just that, it's never been applied in the way that we want to apply it. It's never been applied in the industry, in the community that we want to apply it. And it's never been applied in the way, to the type of benefit that we envisage it will be applied.
Looking at the contradictions that existed before, Orion and all of the other halal issues which confronted our certifying bodies. And I don't think they set out to be and to have the kind of consequences that it did have, but I think there's been a third hand in exposing these contradictions that loomed. And when this idea came, where we could control the process from top to bottom and give benefit to the community in terms of mental comfort, in terms of religious comfort, and in terms of social comfort, it was absolutely a reason why my activism skills came out before financial considerations. So yes, you're right, a part of it was informed from that space, but for the rest, it was also a space which we thought we could help. We're very fortunate now because the Mazi Trust, a good friend of mine, Brother Ali Hamid, who couldn't be here today, has also bought into this concept of getting the Mazi Trust to simulate a lot of what the CAF Trust is doing.
At Tokid Biotech, we have geared our services towards providing a high-quality, reliable service to industry, regulatory bodies and to the general public. It's as easy as giving us a call, sharing your details with us and requesting a quote.
Our labs are fully accredited. We have PhDs and MScs working on processing that sample. That sample is then put through some software because a lot of our technologies are not only lab work based. There's a lot of number crunching and processing that takes place. And then a report is generated. Like, the product is basically broken up into its component parts. All of those parts are identified. You get a very short report on exactly what's in there. And that report we present to you in a very easy to understand format.
Tokid Biotech is located within the Center for Proteomic and Genomic Research, a world-class biotechnology facility in Cape Town, South Africa. We operate our state-of-the-art technology suites within the framework of ISO 9001 and 17025.
Data that we generate are huge, and so there can be a big data element or other mobile technologies. It can be a business to business, as is in Kamal's case, or direct to consumer retail, or it can be an IP generating project. It can be South African based or originate internationally. It should tackle a local market, a local market need or opportunity, but have a global outlook. I think that's absolutely the fact with Tokid.
Tokid Biotech is the first laboratory in Africa that addresses the specific needs of the halal industry. We are the only laboratory endorsed by all the major halal certifiers in South Africa. Our technologies can be applied broadly in other specialty industries and by enforcement bodies.
What you guys are doing here at Tokid is all about serving, and you're providing exactly what the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks in His glorious Quran. Ya ayyuhan nas, kulu mimma fil ardi halalan tayyiba. O mankind, eat from the earth. He did not say only halal. He add on a word tayyiba, wholesome.
The journey have started now. You have launched it, but now, because the challenges will be there now, not only to get the business, or and like the one other speaker have said, I think Brother Shams has said, Dr. Shams, they have to get the buy-in of the halal certifiers first, right? That is there, and we all will give the endorsement because this is a need. It's a definite need.
Tokid means assurance, and that's exactly what we stand for. Contact us for any of your species testing requirements and visit our website at www.tokidbiotech.co.za.